Hello, my fellow travelers, and welcome to Asheville. I'm Christy. This is Happily Forever's After Travels. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of a one-bedroom suite at the Renaissance Downtown Asheville. So come on, let's go. Renaissance is a Marriott property and one of Asheville's oldest modern skyrise hotels. It's pet-friendly, has a large indoor pool, a lovely covered patio overlooking the Thomas Wolfe House, and offers some of the largest conference space available in the downtown area. In the not-too-distant past, I did a property overview and a 2-queen room tour of the Renaissance. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like a more in-depth look at the property, but today we're going to take a quick look at the one-bedroom suite. Walking in, we have a neutral hallway with a small table where the hotel left some chilled buckets of champagne for me after I spent time touring their conference facilities. Thank you, Renaissance. I really appreciate that. It was a refreshing gesture after a long day of conference space touring and site inspections. Oh, that is so nice. Thank you. The first door leads to a bathroom that has a shower tub combo, a standard toilet, and a 1-sink vanity. One thing I love about this hotel is the playfulness they used in decorating that encouraged guests to discover their hidden gems. Like this artwork on the wall. See how they use the mirror to reflect the image so that it completes the face? Pretty cool, huh? Here's, a nice sitting area. I like this a lot. A nice view. Ooh. There's a nice ottoman along with the coffee table. In this closet here, we have the luggage rack and the ironing board and iron. Mini fridge, drawers, more drawers. A variety of different electrical plugs and ports. Above the workstation is a mirror with a code. Those letters aren't just for looks. There's a hidden code for you to crack. Can you figure out the hidden message? Let me know in the comments if you're able to figure it out. This particular suite has a door to a connecting room if you need more space. Now on to the bedroom, which has a bathroom of its own with another shower tub combo, a single sink vanity, and it also has the creative reflective wall art that I love. There's plenty of space to walk around, a decent-sized night table in between the beds, comfy chair and ottoman, and that large, amazing window with that view. There you can see the Hilton Garden Inn right there. Very nice. There's a long, large chest of drawers beneath the flat-screen TV. So there you have it, a tour of a one-bedroom suite at the Renaissance Downtown Asheville. What do you think? What's your favorite aspect of this hotel? Were you able to crack the code on the mirror? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Happy travels. Cheers. Also, if you enjoy the information that I gave you, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment to let me know. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I post more videos like this one.